Indian industries. Here we will learn about large scale industries and small scale industries, other industries and major industries in India, and where these industries are located in India. The resources provided by nature fulfill most of our needs. The resources which are provided by nature, such as plants, one of the important resource which is provided by nature, and it fulfill our needs. That our needs, one of the important need is food. So this food is provided by plants. We all know that many of these resources however cannot be used directly. Plant, we are not taking plant directly. Similarly, here the some images of as wheat, tea leaves, cotton. Can we use all these things directly? No, no, we cannot. This is because they are raw materials. The raw materials are basic materials from which other things are made. These are the basic materials from which the other things are made. Like from wheat, we make chapati, we make bread, many products we make from wheat. Similarly, from tea leaves, we get tea, and from cotton, we make cotton cloths. So, the finished product is cotton cloths. Here, the finished product is bread, and from tea leaves, we are getting tea. The finished product is tea. Did you understand what is the difference between raw materials and finished product? Yes, raw materials is the wheat, but the finished product is bread. So, same way that furniture, we get furniture from where? From wood. So, raw material is wood, but the furniture is the finished product. Utensils we are using, such as glass, cup. So, these utensils from where we get? From the raw material, iron, steel. Okay, from iron we get steel also. So the raw material is iron from which we are getting utensils, that is the finished product. Raw materials are converted into finished products in factory. These raw materials are converted into finished product in factory. Now what is factory? The process of making a particular product using machines in a factory. For the particular product, like you want to make bread. So this process of making bread is done in a particular place. That particular place is the factory of bread. Okay, where bread is making. So that is the factory of bread. Using machine in a factory is called an industry. When we use machines in that factory, in that particular, for making a particular product, and use machine also, that is an industry. Raw materials, machines, power, labor, money, and transport are some things needed to set up an industry. These all things are required to set up an industry. Without machines, you cannot set up the industry. Without power, without electricity, your machines will not work. Many machines are there which work with electricity. Labor, pa- uh, labor is also required. We need workers to make our product. Money is the basic need, and transportation for transferring our product from one place to another. So, transport is also needed to set up an industry. Types of industries. There are three types of industries on the basis of size of industries. These industries are divided into three on the basis of their size. Like cottage industries are small industries, very small industries. Small scale industries are quite bigger than cottage, and large scale industries are big industries. So let's see what is cottage industries. Cottage industries. Cottage industries are set up by people in their own homes. These industries are built in their own homes. Okay, they are not choosing any other place to make their goods. So these are set up by people in their own homes. A few people work with simple tools. Here, they are not using big machines, they are using simple tools, or they are making handmade products, okay, which is made by their hands. They make the products using their traditional techniques. They are using their traditional techniques which they have learned from their grandparents. Okay, from parents to parents, they are doing this work from generation to generation, and they are using that same method. Such products are called human made or handmade products. Some such industries are weaving. You can see here that girl is weaving the cloth. So that is weaving. These are that cottage industry. This comes under cottage industries. Extracting oil, taking out oil from that mustard seeds or sunflower. Grinding flour. Now grinding flour, like from the wheat we get flour, from grams we get flour, and making toys, baskets and leather goods. Here you can see these ladies are making baskets. Same way they can use make leather goods and toys also. So these all works are done in cottage industries. We have learnt about cottage industries that it is set up at home. These are that few people only work in these industries. These are based on the traditional techniques, and such products are called human made or handmade products. Next is small scale industries. Small scale industries employ a few workers. Here workers are there. They employ people and use small machines. Here small machines are used. People work in small factories. In these, people work in small factories. They use machines to make utensils. They are using small machines to make utensils, garments, hosiery items. Hosiery items means like socks, stockings, etc. And electrical and plastic goods. They make plastic and electronic goods also. The products produced in these industries are called machine made products because they are using small machines. So the product, the goods which they are making are called as machine made products. Okay. So these are small scale industries. Next is large scale industries. Large scale industries employ thousands of workers. Here thousands of workers work. A large number of goods are produced with big machines. Here, large number of goods, not in small quantity. They produce large number of goods. Highly trained workers are needed. Here, trained workers are working. Okay, they have good experience. Large scale industries include textiles mills, iron and steel plants, oil refineries means a huge factory, big factory where crude mineral oil is made and pure. They purified the oil also. Chemical plants and factories manufacturing automobiles and railway equipments are also made. So they are the large scale industries, are generally located in areas where raw materials and power are easily available. These large scale industries are located in the place where the raw materials for making their products are easily available. Like where the coal is easily available, they will what happen? They will make their coal mining. No, so where the coal is easily available, same way where wool is easily available, they set up their woolen industries, woolen textiles. Okay, most of them are located in or near big cities. Shows the location of some important industries of India. Now we will see in the map some of the important industries of India. So just look at the map. Here you can see, here children, this is the index. This is the index. Index is very important in our map. Look here at the first, it is written textiles and it is symbolized with the shirt. Shirt is made there. So that is the symbol of textile. So now you have to show that textiles mills in that map. Where these textiles mills are located in our country, India. Here you can see textile mills. These mills are located such as the places Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Varanasi. Then there is silk textile also like Bangalore, Murshidabad, Kanchipuram and Bhagalpur in Bihar. So in the map you have to find out the places where the textile mills are there. So just find the symbol of shirt. Here you can see Srinagar. Okay, here textile, woolen textiles are there. Okay, now you can see Ludhiana. There also we get textiles, Ludhiana. Here the place Ludhiana in Punjab. Haridwar. Haridwar also we get textiles from there. Then in Kanpur. After that you can see Varanasi. After Varanasi there is the place where we can get textile mills, that is Hyderabad. Then come down in south, Chennai, and here Tiruchirappalli, Bangalore, Pune, Ahmedabad. So in all these places, the textile mills, different textiles are made, such as cotton textile, silk textile, woolen textiles. Okay, like woolen textiles we get from Srinagar, as I have told, Ludhiana, Amritsar, Panipat, that is in Haryana, Amritsar is in Punjab. Silk textile we get from Bengaluru, that is in Karnataka, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Kanchipuram silk is very famous. Then Murshidabad, that is in West Bengal, and Bhagalpur, Bihar. Similarly, cotton textile mills are located in India in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Coimbatore, that is in Tamil Nadu, and Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Now we are going to learn about iron and steel industries. Iron and steel industries. Here you can see in our index, children, iron and steel industries. What is the symbol of that? Now you find it out that in our map, iron and steel industries. So here in the map you can see first of all that is Jamshedpur, Tata, here Jamshedpur. Okay, then Raurkela, that is in Bihar. Jamshedpur is also there. Bhilai, very important for the iron and steel. Now this Bhadravati, here Bhadravati, and here Salem also you can see. Look near Chennai, here Salem is there. Okay, so in all these places important iron and steel industries are there. Next, you have to study about railway equipments. Here one railway engine is made, that is railway equipments, and the places where you can get railway equipments are Chittaranjan, that is in West Bengal, and Kapurthala, Punjab, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, and Perambur, Tamil Nadu. So where these places are in our map, that is Incheon, Kapurthala at the top near Ludhiana, then Chittaranjan here near Bokaro, you can find Chittaranjan. Then here in Kolkata also railway equipments are there. Next, this is Perambura near Bangalore, and Chennai also is there. So in these places you can find railway equipment industries. Next is automobiles. Car, symbol is car. Automobiles. Automobiles industries in India is Chennai. You can see Chennai. Okay. Then here this Durgapur in Bihar, Pune, and Gurugram near Delhi, Gurugram. So in these places, automobile industries are there, in Mumbai also. Okay, got it? So look at the map carefully and find out all these in your map. Then electronic goods are there. So electronic goods, you can see from the bottom, the symbol is, you can see here in your index, that is Tiruchirappalli, then Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Bhopal, Kanpur, Jamshedpur, Durgapur, Kolkata, here at this Gurugram also, Haridwar, Ludhiana, Kapurthala, Srinagar. So in all these places we get electronic goods. Then shipbuilding, look at the index, shipbuilding, Kolkata, shipbuilding is there. Then next you can see near the seas only, that is in Kochi. Then here near this Maramgaon, Mumbai, and that's all. Okay, so here the shipbuildings are there. Next is aircraft manufacturing. Aircraft manufacturing, children, you can find here in Bangalore. Their aircrafts are made. Okay, Bangalore. And in India, aircrafts are made Bangalore. Then Nasik, that is in Maharashtra, Hyderabad, Telangana, and Koraput, that is Odisha. Odisha, that is Koraput. Look at the map and find these places in the map. In Odisha, Koraput is there. Okay, and this is the next place we have seen, that Nasik in Maharashtra and Hyderabad. Here Hyderabad also aircraft is there. Okay, so these are the important place for aircraft manufacturing. So children, at the last page of your book, some maps are given. Maps are given that I will teach you later, that you have to this mark these places on the map of the India for the practice, which are given on your book, page number 150. on 55, 56 maps are given. So we will do some practices after that. So here the lesson is over. Thank you, children.